Ready to unlock the power of automation with N8n? First things first, let's dive into configuring those essential settings. Navigate to the Settings panel, usually found under the User icon or Dedicated Settings tab in your N8n instance. Now, let's connect your database. Choosing the right database is crucial for performance and stability. N8n supports options like PostgreSQL and MySQL. Select your preferred database and enter the necessary connection details, ensuring your N8n instance can communicate effectively. Next, configure your environment variables. These variables allow you to customize N8n's behavior. This can be in the settings or a separate config file. Pay special attention to the webhook_URL and any API keys required for your workflows. Security is paramount. Set up user authentication to control access to your N8n instance. Consider enabling features like two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Secure those workflows. Configure SSL certificates to encrypt traffic between your N8n instance and users, ensuring that all data transmitted is secure. Most hosting providers offer easy ways to obtain and install SSL certificates, adding another layer of security. Finally, test your setup. Run a simple workflow to ensure everything is configured correctly and your instance is functioning as expected. By following these steps, you'll create a stable and secure automation environment with N8n, ready to handle all your workflow needs. That's all for today. Happy automating!